comes a time when a compost bin needs a redo, so I decided I was going to completely empty my compost bin, shorten it a bit because it's stacked, so I made it half the size, and I have all the compost under the tarp there that I'm going to use for my garden this year. I think my garden is going to explode. I certainly hope so. I have 23 tomato plants. I've started planting out. I've got a few covers over just to sort of make the adjustment a little bit better for the plants. And yeah, planting out my corn is a distraction. It's popping corn from oriental Redenbacher. I soaked the popping corn and I planted it, and now it's in the garden. And it's in 3 different places. It's going to be a distraction noodle for the groundhog, hopefully. Hopefully he will leave everything else alone. I have some more popping corn planted in this bed. I didn't yet, but I was on, today. My rhubarb. Oh, my rhubarb is looking magnificent this year. So I am just worn out. I have been working non-stop, 5 hours yesterday, 3 hours today. I haven't been talking, but I've literally lost my voice because I'm so tired. So, yeah. See, I thought the camera was off right here, but obviously it wasn't. So, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I planted out in my permaculture bed number 1 bird nest. I planted out 1 watermelon and 1 squash. They're sort of separate. They're in containers sitting in the middle of the bed. So yeah, the day comes to an end with grimy hands and just a few cucumber seedlings left.